Making trims or cuts will always be the biggest part of editing, so becoming light and quick edit can save hours. I will show you the fastest workflow. First, turn on link selection and selection follows playhead. If you want to toggle these quickly, map them to shortcuts. Now the clip and its linked audio under the playhead will always be automatically selected. If you want to trim fast, never use the razor tool. Dragging the end of a clip is useful, but only when you need snapping. If you want that drag to ripple, hold Ctrl. Or you can go to Preferences, Trim and enable Allow Selection tool to choose roll and ripple trims without modifier key. And now you can ripple drag without using Ctrl. The fastest trimming method is by using shortcuts Q and W, or ripple trim previous edit to playhead and ripple trim next edit to playhead. So for example, if you want to keep a segment of this clip, put your playhead before it, press Q, then place your playhead after it and press W. No gaps, everything ripples. With Q and W deletes everything before and after your trims, so you won't always use that. So here are my custom shortcuts for the next method. Select clip at playhead to S, ripple delete to X, clear to Z, add edit to C, add edit to alt tracks to Shift C, and close gap to Alt X. Now if selection follows playhead enabled, Premiere will always select the topmost targeted track. If you want a specific track, toggle tracks target manually, or map toggle target video to custom shortcuts. To select everything under the playhead, press S. To deselect, press escape or click away. If you want to make a cut, press C. These cuts depend on both your clip and track selection. If you want to cut all your tracks at once, press Shift C. Or press S and then C. If your clip is already selected, press X to ripple delete it or Z to delete it normally. If you have gaps in your timeline, then you can click on the gap and press X or Z to delete it, or position the playhead above it, press S and then X or Z again, or use my shortcut Alt plus X to close all the gaps. If you only want to close the gaps in a specific section, then make a selection and then press Alt plus X again. If you want to snap clips without dragging, target all your tracks and use the up and down arrow keys to navigate. Now press S, down arrow C, left arrow X, and down arrow W for the other end. If you want to jump to the next edit on the same track only, use Ctrl plus down arrow.